Hi, I'm Max Mishakov, and this is my course, the 5-step mixed voice system. In the previous two videos, we discovered the cry technique, and it served us as the glue between chest voice and head voice. In this video, we're going to open the sound. We're going to turn NG into a vowel sound. Up to this point, NG was our tool, and it helped us stay light, stay connected, remove unnecessary tension. We used NG as a filter that filtered the sound and that helped us remove the unnecessary muscles involved. We're going to open our NG sound in 3 steps. The first one, closed NG, when our tongue is connected to our soft palate. The second step, half open, the French sound, nasal sound, and the last sound open, so that's it. There are 2 rules when opening the sound. The first rule, please open it gradually. Don't skip the second step. Don't skip this nasal French sound, because this step really helps you maintain the resonance. It helps you maintain this ringingness that we were looking for. And the second rule is that when you're opening the sound, it gets louder, and it's normal. Because when your mouth is closed, our mouth prevents our sound from being loud, and it's normal. When you start opening the sound and it gets louder, please don't make it quieter. Now we're going to open our NG sound. When opening, please make sure that your NG is ringing enough, and only then open it. Make sure that it's ringing. Again, the common mistake is when you make it quieter. Or the second mistake is when you open it too fast and you lose this ringing resonance. Like this. Opening it gradually and not skipping this step of the nasal sound helps you maintain this ringing resonance. There are some other approaches instead of just opening the NG in 3 steps. For example, you may open it with the sound. The first sound is nasal again, and you gradually turn this nasal into a normal sound. And of course there are some traditional approaches to do that, like nay 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 and ma 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 or nya nya nya. Nay 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 nay, ma 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 ma, nya 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 nya. I'm just explaining you the main idea. The main idea is that you first have to make sure the sound is ringing enough, and then you start opening it. And it doesn't matter how you open it. Sometimes it's more easier to do it with nay nay nay, ma ma ma, and my favorite approach is just to open it from an NG sound, because you really understand, and you really focus, and you really watch how this happens, because at first your NG is ringing and closed, then it's half open, and you watch how the sound gets from this to this, okay? And the main idea from this video that I want to tell you is that all the way your sound has to be ringing. From NG, then half open and then open, and even if you're doing nay 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 ma ma ma, all the way your sound has to be ringing as it was in here. In the next video, we're going to master all our 5 vowels. A, E, I, O, U. Thank you for watching. Write your questions for individual lessons. Feel free to contact me. Bye.